How to add music from YouTube to your video. Open the YouTube app. I choose free copyright music for my video. Now what you need to do is play the song and record the screen on your iPhone. Swipe your finger from the right side and click red button screen recording. Wait until the song is recorded and click same button to stop. Now go back to home and turn on Capcut app. Create new project and select the video you want to add music. I record a drone video and now we'll add previously recorded music to it. Click on the audio button. Now choose extract and select a previously recorded screen with your music. It's done. Now you can preview the video with your music. Be sure to leave a thumbs up button under this video and subscribe my channel.